surprise.
It's so quiet over there.
Mommy, I'm a surprise. Mommy, I'm a surprise, please.
What a perfect way to start the video. Lee, stuff has sucked. Super zoomed in.
Ain't careless, dude. I'm hard.
Thrift and Wade family, Hoover Dam, part
Hungry as a
1.
hostage, man. It's because the Thrift don't feed us nothing but lobster and steak last night.
Yeah, it's a big step down coming to McDonald's, huh?
Actually, step up from your place.
Except for the tri-tip.
Birdie!
That tri-tip was fantastic.
Would have been better if I didn't have to cook it to your liking. Meryl, Diana, you guys ready to have fun?
Yeah. I want to go see
Haley, Maddie? Haley, Maddie? Hey, Maddie. You guys ready to have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you ready to have fun, Addie?
Yeah. I want to go see how much water's in the dam. Yeah.
Lee, Sarah, you guys ready to have fun?
Yeah, we just gotta ditch you guys and then leave y'all with the kids.
I think that's what Sarah was thinking, but more towards you. Melissa, you ready to have fun?
Oh, this is going to be a blast.
Sucking kids around? So much fun.
So much fun.
Really should have done that.
Full time.
Remember, this trip is for the kids.
Mom, can I have a burger?
As your kids yelling at you. That expansion bridge is just amazing.
It's
You
nasty.
could just stare at that all day.
You can't eat those nasty little brown circles.
How much concrete there is?
A lot.
Stop it! Whoa, that is a long way down. Daddy, you want some of French fries? Daddy, look how far down that is.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't be on that rail, sweetie. Don't you get down for me.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah, it sure is.
Wow. Look at Maddie, this is me, Maddie. Look at that little house. Whoa! Go Hoover Dam business! Go Hoover Dam business! Go Hoover Dam business!